What's up guys, I just finished installing macOS Tahoe on my Windows laptop, and in this video I'll show you how you can do that. Now there are so many videos on YouTube that show you how you can install macOS Tahoe when you're on macOS, but nobody shows you how you can do it from Windows or Linux. Now we're going to be using the official OpenCore guide, but if you check it out, the latest version you can install is Sequoia. Since there is no official release yet, there is also no recovery image, so we have to work around. So I figured out a way and created a repository for that. If you do not have an EFI already, you can use this tool to create it in seconds. Now once you do that, you can just put it on your USB, make sure it's on the root directory. So let's get the recovery image. To do that, we're gonna fork my repository, go to Actions and Workflows, enable Workflows, and click on Generate macOS Tahoe recovery image. Just run the workflow. Now refresh the page if run doesn't show up. Once it's done, go to Summary and you'll see the recovery image. Just click on that and download that. Now just extract this. Make sure you have the basesystem.dmg and basesystem.chunklist. And copy it to your USB drive. And that's it. Now go to your BIOS and make sure you're booting off of your USB drive, and you should see the DMG file. Just click on that and the installer will show up. Now if you face any errors, I'm making a full video about this. I'll release that soon. I just wanted to make this video because there is not much stuff on the internet just for now. And thank you for watching. Subscribe.